the sagas of our Indian heroes. It will light up the fire, that patriot within you. Let us hear it from Krish, Trish and Balti boy. Bharat hai hum. Bharat hai hum.
Steaming hot oats. This is what's called a good morning, isn't it, Balti boy?
Krish, why are you acting like Krish? Why did you snatch the spoon from his mouth?
Give it back.
First, exercise.
Oh, I did it yesterday only.
Hey, it should be done every day. See, I do jogging every day.
I won't do any jogging.
So then, here I snatch your bowl of oats and here I run. If you can catch me, then the bowl is yours.
So now begins the game of run and catch between Krish and Trish.
Careful.
Catch me,
Trish. Stop.
Is it? Then come and stop me.
Stop.
Come on.
You wait.
Oh, so slow. You're as slow as a tortoise.
Stop. Please stop it, Trish. I'm tired.
Here you go, Krish. Let's have our breakfast.
Oh, then why did you make me chase you so much?
Because today's cardio is done. If you exercise like this every day, then you'll build up your stamina. Isn't it so, Sanskriti?
Absolutely. Yoga, meditation and healthy eating keeps the doctor away.
Did you understand? Lazy Krish.
Okay, that's enough. Your Highness, the Queen of Jhansi.
The Queen of Jhansi? But Trish has never been to Jhansi.
But she fights with the same muscularity.
Huh? Muscularity?
खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी.
Wow, Krish. This story seems to be really at the tip of your tongue.
We also want to hear the story. Please.
I'll narrate it, but on one condition. I was made to do a lot of exercise today, isn't it? So I will eat a banana from Trish's tray.
Okay. Here you go.
Sanskriti, story mode on.
Manikarnika, that is, Rani Lakshmi Bai, was born in 1828 at Banaras in a Brahmin family. Her father's name was Moropant Tambe and her mother was Bhagirathi Bai. After the death of her mother, it was Peshwa Bajirao II who raised Manu more than her father and trained her like a warrior. She also trained in sword fights with Nana Saheb and Tatya Tope so well that no one noticed how fast she grew up.
As long as Nana Saheb, Tatya Tope and Manikarnika are together, no one can defeat us.
Well done, Manu. I'm highly impressed by your sword fighting skills.
Nana Saheb, you haven't seen Manu's horse riding skills yet.
Okay, then let's have a race.
Why not? Badal!
You were right, Tatya. Manu is literally riding on a cloud and talking to the winds.
Manikarnika from very early in her childhood considered Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj as her guru. And just like him, she started loving her motherland very much. The company government was eyeing to annex Jhansi. Raja Gangadhar, who was the then king of Jhansi, had no heir to his throne. Therefore, despite knowing that Raja Gangadhar Rao was much older in age than her, Manikarnika accepted his marriage proposal to save the kingdom of Jhansi. When Peshwa Bajirao II, Tatya Tope, Nana Saheb and Manikarnika met at the palace's library to discuss future strategy, then Manikarnika said,
The great Shivaji Maharaj himself had nurtured the dream of Swaraj through the institution of marriage, and I too will do the same. If this marriage can save Jhansi from the evil eyes of the British, then please send this message to Maharaja Gangadhar Rao that Manikarnika accepts his proposal of marriage.
So my little warrior has grown up so big so soon.
Peshwa Bajirao appreciated Manikarnika by saying this. Finally, Gangadhar Rao and Manikarnika were married. When both Gangadhar Rao and Manikarnika rode on their horses and entered the Jhansi fort, then all their subjects gathered there to catch a glimpse of them. All of them were surprised to see their queen riding a horse wearing a lehenga. Gangadhar Rao made an announcement then.
From today, you will be called Queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Glory to Raja Gangadhar Rao! Amen! Glory to Rani Lakshmi Bai!
Right then, from amongst the crowd gathered there, a peacock feather-tied bouquet flew out and landed in front of the new queen.
Who dared to do this?
A girl came out of the crowd who resembled the queen very much.
Huh? What is the name of the girl who looks exactly like me?
Jhalkari.
Jhalkari, would you like to work for me?
It will be my good fortune.
Glory to Raja Gangadhar Rao! Glory to Rani Lakshmi Bai!
Oh my!
Huh?
Double role?
Not only the face, but many facets of Jhalkari Bai's personality were also similar to that of Lakshmi Bai. And that is why very soon she became Rani Lakshmi Bai's one of the most favorite maids in waiting. Jhalkari started to live with the queen like she was the shadow of her. Rani Lakshmi Bai considered not only Jhalkari, but all her subjects as her family. Everyone was very happy with their new queen and were eagerly waiting for the birth of their prince. But the prince died as soon as he was born. The queen was sad. The king became ill. And the company government was now trying to snatch away Jhansi.
Major Alice, the king of Jhansi Gangadhar Rao has no child of his own. And under the statute of doctrine of lapse, if any Hindu king dies without having a son of his own declared as the heir to his throne, then his kingdom will come under the direct control of East India Company.
Right, Captain Martin. This means that very soon Jhansi will be ours.
I will never let the British take Jhansi. Maharaj and I have come to a decision that we will adopt his brother's son.
From today onwards, this child will be our adopted son and also the Prince of Jhansi, Damodar Rao. Until he grows up, I am handing over the administration of this kingdom to Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Glory to Queen Mother Rani Lakshmi Bai!
Glory to Prince Damodar Rao! Glory to Raja Gangadhar Rao!
But this moment of happiness did not last long. Maharaj Gangadhar Rao passed away, and the company government, under their doctrine of lapse, declared to take control of Jhansi.
The Britishers are stating that according to the policy of doctrine of lapse, the king's adopted son Damodar Rao cannot become the heir to the throne. Maybe these Britishers make a distinction between their own children and the adopted children, not us. In the history of India's culture, Lord Krishna, who even though being born to Devaki, is known as the son of Mother Yashoda. That is why I will not allow anyone to take away the rights of our prince.
Rani Lakshmi Bai read many books on the subject of law and wrote a letter to the British government expressing her opposition to the doctrine of lapse so that they could not legally claim any rights over Jhansi. But she knew very well that there was no way the adamant British government could be convinced to do anything otherwise. So at the same time, she started training her army, which even had women soldiers, to be ready for anything.
Jhalkari, today onwards I declare you as the commander of this battalion of women.
Fighting for Jhansi and your safety will be my greatest fortune.
Glory to Rani Lakshmi Bai! 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 Not only in Jhansi, but in every corner of the country, the fire of freedom was now starting to enrage.
And to extinguish this fire, the company government sent Sir Hugh Rose, and he mobilized a large army and started an invasion of Jhansi.
Janani Janma Bhumischa, Swargadapi Gariyasi. Mother and the motherland are more precious than everything in heaven, and that is why, to protect it, today we will fight and die. But we will not back out. I will give my life, but I will not give my Jhansi to anyone. Glory to Bhavani!
Glory to Bhavani! Glory to Bhavani! Glory to Bhavani!
Hey, How did this story mode turn off? The story is not yet completed, isn't it? I want to know if the Queen could save Jhansi. Did she successfully defeat the British?
I'll tell you the story, Balti boy, the whole of it. But in part 2 of the story of the Queen of Jhansi. Until then, you and all the other friends who are listening should remember one thing.
बूंदेले हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी.
Say it proudly.
भारत है हम, भारत है हम.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed listening to this story a lot, then you will definitely have more fun watching it.
Watch Krish Trish Balti Boy Bharat Hai Hum every Sunday at 11 a.m. on Doordarshan.
And our streaming partners are Amazon Prime Video and Netflix. Stay tuned.